That's an O turn, not a U.
And here's another one. This is why I need a wheelchair. So this is what it takes for me to get around. It varies from day to day, hour to hour, sometimes 20 minutes, but this is what it's like now.
Want to get my hand?
No.
Okay. Love you, babe.
Love you. Mm-hmm. So today is a pretty
Decent day.
decent day. But anytime I go for a ride, I don't know if it's because of the motion, but it takes me a while to get to moving. And
You got it, though.
I'm going to show you how I put that in.
We are back-ish,
Right.
I think.
As much as we're going to be, huh?
For right now.
Yeah.
I think we got stuff coming in the works that'll be of interest. I know that just after years of doing this, that everybody in our group, you guys, we all have the same interests, no matter what they be, really. As long as it has tires and you can make it go faster.
Yep.
Cheating. Cheating. No. Yeah, he cheated. So
This is true.
we have a new side-by-side.
Yeah, we'll show you that.
We just wanted to let you guys know, so a few months ago, I think it would have been September, beginning of September to be exact, we encountered a problem, I guess we say.
A big one.
This guy, who you know is the guy that does everything, woke up and couldn't really walk and had trouble speaking and moving and was dizzy and fell and anyways, scary. Fast forward to like 4 or 5 ambulance rides with the frantic wife who got to intimately know the hospital system in the area over a really like short period of time, 4 weeks. Until we finally found an amazing doctor who we started seeing, and at that point MRIs, neurologists, physical therapists, all the things that you can imagine have been going on. So we haven't really posted anything yet, but we have been just recently. There was definitely the first period of time was a little adjustment.
Yeah.
But then somebody.
Well, I was extremely ill, like deathly ill.
Yeah, there was a lot of medical things going on, and a great doctor.
Probably at least a month.
Yeah.
That's of where I was really sick. Then bedridden for another couple or so.
Yeah.
And then on and off, even to now. However long that's been. How long has it been?
Okay.
That was mid-September.
October, November, December, January. It's like 4.5 months. Which seems like
a blip, and it seems like also
a lifetime.
A lifetime, because
I was going to say that.
My entire life changed in mid-September. So I don't know. I guess there's a diagnosis. It's not great, according to how I've been diagnosed currently. It's not treatable, curable, or reversible. So where I am is where I am. I guess.
Where we are is doable right now.
Yeah, it's doable.
Well.
And so I've been,
laying low,
riding a really fast wheelchair when I'm up to it. Some days I don't get up at all. Some days I get up for 8 hours. Is probably a long way for me to be out of bed.
Yeah. And then everything gets a little bit harder to do by the midday, so.
Yeah.
And he's a doer, so that sucks for you.
It's not.
And he has a Frankenstein gait, I think is what they call it, medically, medicinally.
Or a taxi
9 out of 10 doctors. A what?
Or an ataxia game.
That's the way.
Similar to someone.
I try to break it down.
Yeah, similar to someone with a stroke or with the MS.
Which we don't know all the things yet, but.
That's another thing. I do have a brother that passed away recently had MS for 40 years, and my daughter has MS. So, you know, that's in the genes somewhere. I have not.
And this is all kind of autoimmune related, so I mean
That's
those are all
not what
within
I've
that.
been currently diagnosed with, but that's.
But we have another neurologist to see, so.
Yeah. Anyway,
But anyways,
that's where we're at.
we're gonna be taking you along. I think you guys will appreciate you. A lot of you guys who have been around from the beginning. Thank you. And we kind of wanted to talk to you guys, and sorry it took so long. We've been just
Trying to figure out how to do this. And
stick around. I don't know.
Let's
We
get
got
out
lots
of here.
going on. It's going to be super exciting. You'll see some really interesting things coming. So smart else. From Dandi Off-Road shortly.
yeah, we got some physical therapy coming up, neurologist visits, but we also have races in Walmart with the wheelchair.
Oh, yeah.
We'll see you soon.